Hi children, we are going to learn science, teeth and microbes lesson. Already we learned. Okay, today we are going to learn choose the correct answer, tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Here say children, oral questions. Oral questions. Choose the correct answer. A newborn baby has 20 teeth, no teeth, 2 teeth. How many teeth? A newborn baby has a 20 teeth, no teeth, 2 teeth. She has a teeth. She have a teeth. She have a teeth. A newborn baby have a teeth. No. Here no teeth. Here tick the no teeth. And there are 4, 5, 6 molars in each jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw. How many molars in teeth? 6 molars. How many molars? 6 molars in jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw. How many molars? 6 molars. Totally how many molars in 2 jaws? 12 molars. Next third one. The outer layer of tooth is called as enamel, dent and pulp. The outer layer of the, see children, it is the structure of tooth. What is this outer layer called as? Enamel. Outer layer is a enamel. Here see, the outer layer of tooth is called as enamel, dent and pulp. What is called outer layer? Enamel. Outer layer is called as enamel. And the next fourth one, dent and enamel pulp, is the hardest substance in our body. It is the enamel. It is the enamel. It is a hardest substance in our body. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Here one see, a newborn baby has a no teeth. A newborn baby has a no teeth. And there are 6 molars in each jaw. There are 6 molars in each jaw. And the outer layer of a tooth is called enamel. The outer layer of a tooth is called enamel. And enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. It is the oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Next, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. And I write on the board. I write on the board. Tick the correct answer. The 4 CHISEL chisel shaped teeth. Shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are the 4 chisel shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are called as 4 chisel shaped. What are called as chisel shaped teeth? Canines and incisors and molars. Fourth one, premolars. Incisors. It is a incisor. These incisors are chisel shaped teeth. It is the front 4. This front 4. Here, incisors is the correct answer. This is the teeth. Front 4 teeth are called as incisors. Front 4 teeth called as incisors. Next, second bit. We use these teeth to tear pieces of food. Which teeth we can use to tear the pieces? Options A, incisors. B, canines. C, molars, and fourth one premolars. Which tooth are clear piece of food? Canines. Canines is a so sharp teeth. Canines are sharp teeth. It is used to tear piece of food. It is used to we use this teeth to tear piece of food. This is the teeth structure. These four are the incisors. These four are the incisors. Incisor side teeth are called as canines. Incisor side, below side canines. Incisors after canines. First front teeth are called as incisors. Incisors after canines. Okay, these canines are used for food. We can cut the food. Okay. Third one. Which of the following is used to clean between two teeth? Options: dental floss, option B, toothbrush, and toothpaste, and option D, nutcracker. Which of the following is used to clean between two teeth? We can use it to clean between two teeth. Which one we use? Dental floss. Dental floss is used to clean between two teeth. Okay. Next, fourth one. The number of grinding teeth in each jaw. The grinding teeth are called as also molars. The number of grinding teeth in each jaw. 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. How many molars in each jaw? 6. How many molars in each jaw? 6. 6 molars in each jaw. These are the used for grinding the food. Fifth one. Fifth bit today. Now fifth bit. Today, tooth decay causes thirst, bad breath, hunger, itchy. Tooth decay causes bad breath. Okay. Which of the following is used to clean between two teeth? Dental floss. And the number of grinding teeth in each jaw, 6 grinding teeth in each jaw. And tooth decay causes bad breath. Fill in the blanks. Eating too many sweets or fruits causes tooth decay. Which one we can eat and cause the tooth decay? Sweets. Eating too many sweets causes tooth decay. Next, second one. Disease causing microbes. Germs are microorganisms. Germs are called as disease causing microbes. These germs are harmful to us. Diseases causing microbes are germs. And pneumonia and typhoid are caused by bacteria and virus. Bacteria was caused by pneumonia and typhoid are caused by bacteria. Okay, pneumonia and typhoid are caused by bacteria. Next, fourth one. And fourth one, dash, yeast and germs are used to make bread soft. Germs is a harmful to us, but these are used to make bread soft. Which one? Yeast is the correct answer. By yeast. Yeast are used to make bread soft. It is a useful bacteria. Yeast is a useful bacteria. Next, fifth one. Fungi grow on decaying matter and cause diseases like ringworms, athlete's foot and chicken pox. Athlete's foot. Okay. Fungi grow on decaying matter and cause diseases like ringworms or the athlete foot. Once again I repeat you, eating too many sweets can cause the tooth decay, and diseases causing microbes are germs, and pneumonia and typhoid are caused by bacteria. Yeast are used to make bread soft, and fungi grow on decaying matter and cause diseases like ringworms, athlete's foot. Today homework 21 page, B bit. Read and write. B bit. Read and write. Okay.